Advertising video of Tianjin Wellmade Scaffold Company Limited. Company profile. Tianjin Wellmade Scaffold Company Limited is a well-known ISO 9001-2000A certificated scaffolding and formwork manufacturer. Has exported to 49 countries all over the world. As a leading scaffolding factory, our products has been widely used in infrastructures, bridges, railways, and other engineering fields all over the world. Tianjin Wellmade Scaffold is a sub-branch of Wellmade Group, one of the largest steel tube companies in China. The group's annual volume turnover comes to $300 million and has exported more than 89 countries all over the world. As a leading manufacturer and exporter in the scaffolding and formwork industry, our production workshop, over 50,000 square meters, and a professional team composed of more than 2,000 employees. With professional technical superiority and a perfect design, high-quality products and customized services, Wellmade has attracted great attention and trust from most customers overseas. Nowadays, Wellmade has become a specialized supplier, serving for world's leading constructioners, contractors, and engineering companies. Production process. Wellmade has a professional R&D team for new product design, with independently developed experience of stamping dies and welding jigs these years. Our R&D center is equipped with wire electrode cutting surface grinder, lathes, and other advanced equipment to assure the development speed of new product and quick repair of dies. Our steel tube workshop has 12 production lines with monthly capacity over 120,000 tons. The cutting workshop is equipped with 15 metal circular sawing machines, a horizontal band saw, and a sheet shear, being able to meet high-volume production orders and emergency orders with a daily cutting capacity of 15,000 steel tubes. In the thread rolling workshop, there are 4 thread rolling machines, which can produce different types of adjustable screw jacks. In addition to 25 sets of 25-ton to 160-ton punching machines, there are bending machines, riveting machines, and multi-axis drilling machine in the punching workshop, which is able to produce stamping parts for all kinds of scaffolding products. With a prop automatic welding line, a special automatic welding machine for Ringlock standard, 4 special automatic welding machine for adjustable screw jack, and 4 special automatic welding machine for plunger, the welding workshop has achieved automatic welding of 50% of products, thus greatly improved the quality and efficiency of welding process. Combined with meticulous slag removal, we have each self-finished products with clean and smooth look. There are 7 production lines in the surface treatment workshop, including 4 hot-dip galvanized lines which can be able to produce 100,000 tons of hot-dip galvanized steel tubes every month. There are also 2 electro-galvanized lines and 1 painted line to assure the finish of each product. The finishing and assembly workshop consists of the parts area, self-finishing area, hot-dip galvanized treatment area, packing area, finished area, and shipping area. After decades years of practice, Wellmade had more than 500 sets of punching moldings and more than 200 units of welding jigs for all kinds of scaffolding products, and be able to produce 20 product categories, including Ringlock systems, Cuplock systems, Kwikstage systems, frame systems, adjustable props and planks. Quality control. Wellmade always adheres to the theme of safety, quality, and savings to produce various scaffolding products conforming to BS, EN, AS standard. There is a strict quality controlling and tracking inspection system from raw material test, pre-processing and after-processing of products to packaging and shipping. Through improved quality management, accountability, and multi-level supervision and inspection, Wellmade can ensure that each order, each product, and each process can be traceable with inspection records in order to guarantee the rate of qualified products come to 100%. Meanwhile, our specialized welding training system and perfect after-sale services can relieve any worry of customers about the quality of products and also lay a solid foundation for sustainable development of Wellmade. Similar to scaffolds, a solid foundation can protect the life safety. Just like rising skyscrapers, Wellmade Scaffold is steadily moving forward and upward step by step based on safety and quality.